Up at Forest Holidays Strathyre, we've built 12 new cabins to the existing location. The main heat source for the cabins is the Thermino X Plus paired with the Trianco heat pump, ranging from 15 kilowatt up to 22 kilowatt depending on the size of the cabin. Adding additional apparatus and infrastructure was never really an option. The current site is pretty much maxed out in terms of the power usage, so we did have to find a way to reduce the accumulative load on site. One option is gas. We could combine that with an alternative renewable fuel source such as solar PV. However, with us only building 12 cabins, we thought this was a fantastic opportunity to go and find a new innovative product out there. Our main USP is that we provide a hot tub to every single cabin that we sell to guests. So when our guests arrive, they're going to want that hot tub good to go. Other heating sources out there, such as a cylinder system paired with a heat pump, we can't guarantee that for our guests. What this system enables us to do is to provide the hot tub with a hot fill and also provide guests with hot water on arrival. We're not having to wait for cylinders to fill back up or anything like that. We're also not utilising gas.
From an operational point of view, the system definitely gives more peace of mind, as we know that there's going to be less complaints of cold hot tubs, not having hot water, and it definitely ensures that the staff have peace of mind regarding this.
Another big factor for us is our operational costs. So we did a bit of a case study prior to committing to this heating system, and we figured out that we'd be able to save £600 a year on electric costs per cabin. For here, that means that we're able to save £7,200 a year on electric on just 12 cabins alone. Translate that into a 50 cabin site and we're looking at a 30 grand saving on just our electric costs alone. That's just for the cabins.
One of the benefits for the staff is that the heat pumps are monitored remotely via 4G by Trianco. So if there are any issues, we can raise it with them and they can remotely access it, and it means that we don't have to call out an emergency plumber or electrician.
So across the estate, we've got a number of heating systems for our cabins. Blackwood Forest, for example, and that's one of those locations which is on the edge of its maximum capacity in terms of power. So what we've done there to reduce the accumulative load is replaced the boilers, the biomass boilers, with the heat batteries. And what we've seen there is the electric consumption on those two cabins halved. We were expecting to see a slight drop, but we weren't expecting to see a drop as substantial as that. So it's definitely something that we're looking to roll out across the estate. One of the big pluses for us as well was our main plumbing and heating partner had no issues whatsoever installing the system. We saw no difference in terms of the labour costs or time spent on site installing the product and commissioning to previous heating systems that I've installed. This heating system is starting to form part of our strategy going forward due to the reduced operating costs and also the green credentials that it presents.